Hi YouTube! So today I'm going to dye my hair, and I'm going to dye my hair purple and blue using the Loreal Colorista packets wash out dye. So as you can see, I've already bleached my hair out, so I've got this lovely bleached roots, mint green period in the middle here, and then of course the darker line down to the much unhappy bottoms of my hair. So I did my hair last night. Oh, do you see this? That's all there is to that bit. It snapped off. But not with this bleaching. Just through general unhappiness of my hair. So I think I'm going to take the blue down and then mush the purple into it. So to start with, we're going to put our stuff into our bowls, and then we're going to get started with the dye process on the hair. This is really not gonna be enough dye. It's not gonna do it, is it? Okay, so I pulled out the dye and I decided that it's not going to be enough to do my hair in total because I've got really thick hair. So we're going on an adventure to the warehouse to pick up a couple more boxes of dye, and then we will get back and we will dye this blonde awkward mess that I call hair. Okay, so I'm thinking this one, because I think this is the one we poured out, and then this one for the bottom, and I have one of these just in case. I'm thinking this one at the top, then into this one. What do you think? Alright, so we just got back from the warehouse, so I picked up another box each of the blue and the purple, but then I also saw that they were pastels, which I forgotten because I threw out the box when I got them, and I just had the bottles. And so I picked up a bottle of the Turquoise vivid shade just to try and mix with the blue, give it some deeper color, or do a turquoise and then blue and then purpley lilac at the bottom. Who knows? I now have 4 different colors to play with, so stay tuned. Let's go home. Alright, so we are back. So ended up picking up the turquoise, another blue, and another purple. So let's get to mixing and let's get to dyeing this mop of unruly hair. I'm in my pajama hair dyeing top, so I'm going to put this turquoise. See, that is a better blue color. If I could just put a squirt of that in there. Gonna pat my hair, give it a quick brush through. It's a little darker in here, but that greeny, minty green, bluey color is really quite pervasive, you know? Some tea. I swear, by the time I've done this, I've spent enough money on hair dye in the last however many years. I could just pay a professional to do my hair for me. And I think in the future I might do that. But today is not that day. Okay. Let the montage begin. We've done the roots in the turquoise, so now we're going to go in with the blue and do the rest. Well, to the mid things, and then I'll do purple on the bottoms. Alright, so I've put in the dark blue, the medium blue, and the purple now. So we're just going to let it sit, and then we'll wash it out in like half an hour. It is 5:10, and I've got the shakes because I haven't really eaten much today. And so at about 5:20, 5:30, we will wash it out. Alright, so it's a couple days later in my kitchen, but this is the finished look. So it's got the blue, the turquoise into the purple. I don't know if you can see it better over this way. There we go. More turquoise at the top, kind of blue in the middle, and the purple. If we're honest, I think the purple and the turquoise have the strongest color, and the blue is kind of lackluster. However, it is turning my fingernails blue, and I haven't washed it since I dyed it, so it's still as bright as possible. But yes, this is the final look, so thanks so much for coming on the journey with me. So this is the final look, so thank you so much for coming on the journey with me. I'd really love it if you would subscribe so that you can check out all my new videos, and of course come travel with me as I go through life, and I've got some really fun stuff coming up, so subscribe and keep track of what I'm doing. Bye!